Hi guys, hi everyone, it's Sprite from Trending Earnings once again. And guys, thanks for watching my videos, thanks for subscribing, and today we've come up with another video to present to you guys. So as I earlier said that we no longer only deal with ways of making money online, we also deal with ways of saving that money while making other money online. So today we are going to look at a special technique of getting good amounts of data for less, and you guys are sure that everything on this channel is 100% legit, because we take our time to make research and we give everything time. So guys, by the time we present anything here, it is 100% legit. So all you have to do is to follow the steps that I'm going to be showing you in this video, and then you'll be able to access internet for less. And here we are talking about Airtel. So guys, we are going to use let me first show you my balance here. We are going to be kind of quick. It is this, I think this is Airtel. So I have 0.00. So what we are going to do, we are going to buy a bundle. You know, there are some bundles called learn from home bundles, but the bad thing about these bundles is that they are limited to Google and Zoom. So these bundles are limited to study sites, but we are going to be learning how to use them on all sites. We are going to be learning about how we can use these learn from home bundles on all sites like social media platforms and any other site accessed via the internet. So guys, let's begin. So what you're going to do, we are going to purchase that bundle. It's called a learn from home bundle, so you can purchase any that you want. So for Zoom, Google Meet, and Teams, buy for self, buy for other. I'll buy for self. So these bundles are limited to the Zoom, Google Meet, and Teams. So we won't be using these bundles on all other sites. I'm going to be showing you how this is entirely done. So I'll buy for self. Then I'll tap on 3. Daily 1 GB. You can tap on any that you want. I'll tap on daily 1 GB, option 3. Then I'll tap on airtime. I'm done. So the bundle comes here. You subscribe to 1 GB learn from home bundle, it's there. But this data can't be used on any other social media platform or site. So what you are going to do, you are going to go to the Play Store, and you're going to download this app. The app is called Airtel Plus. The Airtel Plus app. You will download the Airtel Plus app from the Play Store. After downloading the app, you'll tap and open the app. Then you'll tap where there is the connection mode. I will just look like this. Then you'll tap on custom setup. Then you tap here on and then choose imported H80 file. And then you tap here on the top left corner. You'll choose import config. So guys, I'm going to be leaving a file here, and you're going to download that file. So after downloading the file and goes to your phone, you'll tap import config. Remember, you've already downloaded the file. Then you'll look for downloads somewhere. You tap on downloads and you'll find the file there. As soon as you find the file, you tap on it. So after tapping on the file, you'll press the start button. Anyway, just to speed for you things up, assuming I created this file and went into the HA Tunnel Plus file. So the files that I created will just fit to the HA Tunnel Plus folder. But the files that you will download, because I'm just going to leave a Telegram link, and you'll just tap on that link. It will take you to Telegram where I will download the file. I'm going to be dropping the files there frequently. So just download any file. It will take you about 10 seconds. You will find the file there, you download it, then you'll find it in your Telegram folder where you find things that you've downloaded from Telegram. But for my case, the file will be here. I'll tap on the file, CEO Bright, and then it will be imported. Import success. So after that, I'll tap on the Airtel, such that my data is on Airtel. Then I tap on start. So after importing the file, when you tap on start, if it's your first time, it might take some time when starting, but maximum is always a minute for the first time. That's it. It has started. So the data figures up here. Then and as a reminder, sometimes when you buy Airtel data, it doesn't work there, and then you might need to switch on airplane mode and then switch it off. Sometimes you might need to restart the phone and then the data works. So but this just happens. It doesn't happen frequently. It happens occasionally. You see, sometimes you may not be able to use data immediately after buying it. That's when you switch on the airplane mode and you switch it off. Then the data starts working. So sometimes after buying this data and the app fails to start, you might switch off the app. You might have to switch on the airplane mode and then switch it off. So guys, you see, now we're having our data. So let me try to access Twitter. Try to access Twitter. And the data is working so perfectly. It's working so perfectly. See? So this works 100%, guys. But guys, I'm only encouraging you to subscribe, leave a comment, and like our videos, because liking our videos motivates us to make more of such videos. So guys, I'm going to be leaving for you the Telegram link in the description. You just tap on the link, download the file from Telegram, tap, you're set, and you start using your 1 GB at only 1,500 shillings. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. For any inquiries, you can use my WhatsApp number. You can also contact us via email, trendingearnings@gmail.com.